World Athletics President Sebastian Coe has warned American sprinter Christian Coleman, who has been provisionally suspended for an anti-doping violation, that he will not be given a special deal to allow him to compete at the Tokyo Olympics. World 100-meter champion Coleman was provisionally suspended by the Athletics Integrity Unit earlier this month following 3 whereabouts failures in 12 months. He is now facing a 2-year ban, which would make him ineligible for the Games, which have been postponed until 2021 due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Coleman was controversially cleared to race last year by the United States Anti-Doping Agency when it dropped another case concerning whereabouts failures just weeks before the 2019 World Athletics Championships. Now, the American was set to go into Tokyo as one of the favourites, having been the fastest man in the world for the last 3 years. Coleman previously claimed that a 2-year ban would be overkill and hoped for some sort of deal where he could be suspended but return for the Olympics, while stressing that the AIU does not work in that manner and that special treatment would not be possible. Coe did not mention Coleman by name, but said he was surprised that anyone who missed 2 tests was not more careful. 3 missed tests in a 12-month period constitutes an anti-doping violation. Coleman missed tests on June 6, 2018 and January 16 and April 26 of 2019, but successfully argued that the 2018 case, owing to a filing failure, should be pushed back to the first day of the quarter, April 1, and subsequently be out of the year-long window to escape a ban last year. However, he is now accused of another whereabouts failure in December of 2019.